a beat from scratch here in Logic Pro. So this is a basic process that I go through, but it always changes depending on the genre and the mood that is created. All right. So for this instance, let's just focus on like the basic structure of creating a track here in Logic. First, I'm going to open up my library of sounds here, and I want to select some drums. So I'll start off with, let's take an 808 kit here. Okay, so if I know that if I'm going to be breaking up these parts, I can do this a couple different ways. I can make duplicates of each one of these tracks here. Let's say I make 4 of these. And let's say I name these in drum order. So if this is like a drum kit, kick, hi-hat. I usually put clap or snare depending on what I want to use here. A snare. Got a snare drum, y'all. Snare drum. Alright. Crash. A little bit of impact. I may have an 808 here depending on how I feel. And I'll get rid of that extra one there. Okay, so I'll just focus on the drums here. Next, I'll find a tempo, something I might stick with 135. So I'll start with my kick drum first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it sounded like it was a little bit off, so I can correct this with a little bit of quantization. So let's go and turn our quantization, or I can just hit the letter Q. Okay, and if that doesn't show up there, I can always go to my inspector, go to my region, and then there we go. Okay, hi-hat next. Okay, quantize that. Next, I'll move to my clap snare. And I'll just use the clap, because I'm feeling the clap. Ooh, I almost made a mistake there, y'all. I had record enabled on both tracks, so that's something you don't want to do. Let's back it up. Okay, let's quantize that. Cool. Let's move on to the crash here. And I just want a little bit of impact in the intro there. 2, 3, and that's it. I don't need any more than that. So I'll stretch this out. Quantize. And I have to track it again. 1, 2, 3, Cool. I'll quantize that, trim the ends off here, and then I'll move to the 808. And let's see if I can find something that's 808 worthy. So what I typically want to do with the 808 here is I want this to land where the kick is not landing. And I want to create a little bit of space. So I'll pull up the kick track here and then see if this 808. Let's create a little real estate here. And let's try to place it where it doesn't mix in with the kick. Okay, create a little space with the 808, and then let's see what we got here. Put a loop cycle on here. Okay, so next I want to add some type of melodic or rhythmic part to it. So this can be pads, keyboards, anything of that nature. So based on mood here, I'll pick a basic, let me add one of their pads here. Let's try waves, see what this does. So I have to pick a key of this song. So I'm going to put this in A minor. And let's see. I'll pick a chord progression here. And let's see what happens. Okay, see what that does. Cool. So we got a rhythmic part there. Next, I may want to add in some type of lead instrument. So I want something, another synth that might just cut in a little bit. I'll try that just for the heck of it. See what happens here. Make sure the loop cycle is turned off when recording. Okay. And let's try that on for size and see what happens. Sweet. And then let's add one more element to it. I'll add a bass. Let's go to my synth. There we go. And let's find a synth bass. I like this 90s. See what this does. So there's our bass, and then let's see how that rides in by itself. Beautiful. And then let's add it all together and let's see what we got. let's say I want to make it a little bit more interesting here. So